Welcome to CarpetPlan Pro. I'm going to show you how to plan your first job. First of all, I'll just say if you need any help later, then you can find videos here on the question mark help button. Anytime you want to add a new plan, you can click the plus button from any page and it will create a new plan from you. So first of all, we're going to add the areas that we want. So let's say we've got 2 bedrooms and a lounge. So we're going to have a 350 by 3. We're going to do the length and the width that we want. We're going to have let's do a 3 by 3 and a 2.5 by 2. And okay, that's a bit small for a lounge actually. Let's just do a 4 by 4 just to give the example. We're going to have a landing and a half landing. So let's do a 1.5 and a 3 meter. We're going to have a 1 meter by 1 meter for the half landing. Now, the stairs section have already been preset. Now, we can update this in the settings, which I go through in another video. But for this, we're just going to update this ourselves manually. So winder 2 is a slightly different size, but all these can be updated. So let's also say the ball nose is slightly bigger. We're going to click calculate. And now we have a full plan and it's 51.6 meters. Now we have a few tools, as you can see up here in the tools, and I do have another video on this for up here in the help where you can watch more on it. But for this, I'm just going to show you, let's say, for example, we wanted to add another carpet. This is how easy it can be, because let's say they've decided bedroom 1 and bedroom 2, they actually want to be in a different carpet. So let's just update this. I'm going to show you how easy this would be. We click calculate again. And now we've got a plan where the lounge and the stair and landing is all the same carpet. And we've got a plan for the bedrooms. So we've just taken out the bedrooms. We've now got 26 meters and 32 meters. Okay, so let's just say we're going to remove that and we're going to carry on with the plan the way it was, just so I can show you other parts. So let's say this is the plan and you're now happy with this. All we're going to do is click lock in plan. This is really just to finalize the plan that we have. So if we come up here, we can now see we can't actually edit the plan anymore. Now, if we do want to edit the plan again, we just click unlock plan. And now we can edit the plan if we wanted to. Okay, so this is the plan that we want. We are going to print this. Now we can just click print, and here we have the full plan and we can print it. However, what you might want to do is make this into cuts. So what we can do is we can click auto cut, and now we have the plan made into cuts. We can lock in this plan, click print. Now we have the plan made into cuts. Now this is a little bit crammed into one page. So if you want, we can click cut per page. And now each page has its own cut, as you can see, so it's easier for the fitter to follow. They can see exactly where to cut. Now it's worth keeping in mind the way this has been made, that all cuts can be done left to right, and you won't have a situation where you're cutting through another area. So as long as you're cutting left to right, you're following this line. This side is showing the full size of the area. This side is showing where to make the cut for the fitter. All you do is click print, or you can download the plan, and that's it. If you want to find the plan, you just come into save plans. You can edit the plan name right here, James's job, or you can do the postcode or invoice, whatever you want to name it here. And that's really it. That's your full plan done, start to finish, ready to print. If you need any more help, please just come to the question mark where we have more videos. answering questions. Thank you very much. Bye.